Okay, we are going to start with the PLSQL thing. Know how to create a username and password. So, you people all know, right, how to create username and password for yourself. Create username identified by password and need to provide the grant by admin, grant connect comma resource. Okay. So I'm going to create with new tables. Okay. Okay. We are creating some new tables here now. Regions, country, locations, warehouses, employees. Okay. Product category, products. What are the products we have? This is related to inventory management system. So how much stock we have in the inside, how much we are producing, how much we are going to sell, how much we are. So this like as an inventory management system. So like if you take like Spencer's or something like, those people will monitor each and every by EOD how much stock we have today. By tomorrow, how much new stock is came to us, and all those things need how much we sell today. Okay, these are all we need to maintain, right? That is called inventory management system. How much coming inside, how much is going out, how much coming inside. These are all things need to be maintained by some software. So for maintenance of that, we are using the inventory. For that, we have these many tables. I'm also new to here. I'm going to. I requested you people to create the new tables like hospitals and the student master, schools and all those things. If people are not preparing, so now I am going to create the tables like here. So in the regions, in the sense a region. So you know, right, that south region, west region, and all those things. We have 4 regions. So regions is like that. So missing value. Okay, what here we have? What error I'm getting here? Okay. I need to mention like okay, regions table is created now, and I'm going to create the country from this is related to which country and all those things need to mention, right? So see, I am taking the reference from the regions table, region ID. Okay. Here I mentioned on delete cascade. On delete cascade. You know what is the use of this? If someone deleted the data from the parent table, that child data need to be deleted. So in that case, you will go with the on delete cascade. Okay. Locations. So location, from which location you are going to sell the products and all those things need to be tracked, right? So for that reason, here we are taking the reference for a country table. In this, we are appending the data with the country code here. We are taking the reference from the country table. So inside the country table, we are taking the reference for the regions. If you see the diagram would be like a parent, child. The child have the parent, I mean, again, child also, right? So grandparent, parents, child. In the similar way, we are maintaining some relation here. So now I am creating the warehouse table. So what the error I am getting here? Okay, location table also created. Warehouses. So warehouses. In this also. Employee. So employee, see what are the tables we have created now. So in the regions, we can maintain the, this is related, what are the regions available for us? Our company is in which regions is available? Country, which country that region in which country? Okay, locations in the country, which cities you are belonging to, and all those things, and we can identify with the location table. Okay. After that, warehouses. Warehouses in the sense we can put some storage device, right? Just like as a warehouse in the sense you can put your stocks in some place. Gudam, like Gudam. So that is we can say warehouses. Okay, warehouses where we have the all those things we can maintain the warehouse details in the warehouse table. Okay. That is a warehouse located to which location and all those things need to identify for that region. We're taking the reference of location ID here. Okay. And employees, to maintain the employee information, it will work for inventory or any company may have some employee information, right? We need to maintain by that. So for that, we are using the employee table. Under product category, what are the products we have? What is the category? And all those things need to maintain. So that region we are using this. Okay. What are the products we have? So we are taking the reference from the product category table. We will need to take. Need to understand this table. I will share this scripts to you people. Customers in the sense as we are the customers for any company. Okay, contacts. So like we will take the customer ID and customer details, right? So while taking the data for if anyone come to us, like if you visit the like Spencer's or more something like, so we will provide our credit card details and just mobile number, right? So we don't have any customer ID for the Spencer's or more. Those people will generate some ID for us and save the details with that ID. So with maybe like your mobile number, based on your mobile number, those people will identify you are the new customer, you are the old customer, and all those things need to track with your mobile number. Those people will request you kindly provide your mobile number nowadays. Got it? Based on mobile number, you can able to track with you are the existing customer, or we can able to provide you some customer ID to you. Okay, how many orders are getting for us? Need to track, right? What are the orders we have and all those things. For that, we will use the order table. Order item. So in order table, we will maintain the just order ID, who is provided that order, which customer is provided that order. So if you want to detail information, how much quantity is put for which order. So suppose like how many order in the sense like how many mobiles he booked. So how many pen drives he booked, something like if you want to detail information, he is booked this many quantity, this much amount he is making the payment and all those things, right? Okay, that is related to the order items. What are the items he provided and all those things. So inventories, how much stock we have in, how much stock we are getting from the company. Okay, so it is a manufacturing company in the sense how much inventory we have now. Every day, how much you are generating, your production will be happen every day. So in the production, how much doing you as a manufacturer, like how many units you are going to generate on every day, that need to be tracked. So that is will handle from the inventory file. Okay. So these are all the tables we have now. We will work with these tables today. I am also new to this table. I'm not familiar with this table. Okay. See. In the regions we have Europe, Americas, Asia, Middle East, Africa. So I'm going to insert this data in this. Okay. What is not my database? Missing with the null. Okay, I inserted 4 regions in this table. And again, in countries, what are the countries we have here? Argentina, Australia, Belgium, Brazil, Canada. So what are the countries we have? We'll inserted all the countries in this. Locations. Warehouses. I missed few records got errored here. Why it has been errored and you need to, I will provide the scripts. Please go through with one by one scripts. I don't have that much time. I will show you what is the error. Like we got few errors in this. See, it is showing tabular view does not exist. Wait, please. Hello? Understand?
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Okay. Okay, user underscore table. Now, what are the tables I have created? I need to find out list of the tables here. So how can I find out? How can I find out what are the tables I have created just now? User underscore objects is one of the meta objects. So in this, I can able to get the details like a created equal to. So what are the objects I have created now? That are all objects I can get here. Chunk of so these many objects I have created now. Now I'm going to sort it out like a timestamp we have here. Order by this one name. So I need only tables here. So in user underscore objects, I will get all the objects. I will get all the objects. So I can take the object type as a table. Okay. Now I created these all are tables. So first I created the region table and the countries and all those. Okay, these are all we have the different types of tables. You need to remember interviewer may ask what are the tables you worked on and all those things need to. Namaste. Bill Namaste. ఆడికేం పని ఉంది ఆల్రెడీ మాట్లాడినా చెప్పినాను నేను ఆల్రెడీ అదే ఎగ్జాంపుల్సే వాడికి ఏమంటారంటే బిఫోర్ ఆఫ్టర్ రెండు నాకు కొన్ని ఇంకా ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ కావాలని చెప్తున్నాను పెడతాను సార్ నాకు కూడా హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ పడుతుంది పెడతాను సార్ ఓకే. This is the region table. What are the regions we have here? Europe, Americas, Asia, and Middle East, Africa. Okay, now I need to retrieve like who is working for a Middle East and Africa. So what are the stores we have? What are the how many inventories we have? So first we need to know like what is the relation between if you want to use this table with the countries table. So what are the columns you need to use to put the join if you want to retrieve with these two tables data. Okay, first we need to understand the relation between one table to another table. So you have any common thing, you have any relation in between these two tables. If you understand that, then only you can able to get the data, what the data you are looking for. Okay, now if you see the countries table, we have the country ID and country name and the region ID. So this region ID will have maybe some relation. So you have the exact name here, maybe like a region also. The column may be differ. So here we have the common column here, same column name, like DEPT number equal to DEPT number equal to DEPT number, like in the EMP table and DEP table we have, right? In the similar way, we have two tables here. sorry, 2 column is same only. Region ID. If you want to find out, I need the countries related to the Middle East now. I want to find out which are the countries is related to Middle East. I need to retrieve the data like what are the Middle East countries. Got it? Any doubt? I want to retrieve what are the countries we have in the Middle East. I need to find out like. So now in that case, can go with either left join or right join, or I can go with the inner join. What I need to, in which way I can get the data? Tell me. Pradeep. Tell me now what I need to do. How to I get the? These are the two tables you have. One is region. One is a country. Now I need to retrieve the who is related to the Middle East. I mean, what are the countries is related to the Middle East? I need to retrieve the data. Sadeva.
Select start from countries.
Ah.
Left join region on.
Left join. Okay, regions on.
On.
Okay.
Region ID.
Okay.
Region dot region ID.
Region start, region ID. Okay, what will happen if I put this? What the output I get here? Sadeva. What the data I get here?
Region. Both table left table. Matching the left table. Columns.
What I requested for you? I need the data. What are the countries is related to the Middle East? Where you put the condition related to the Middle East? Now just you are appending the for each and every country you are appending the region name here. See, for each and every country details you are getting with the region name. Now you need to filter out the data related to where region name equals to Middle East. Got it? So here we no need to use any left join here. So we'll simply go with the inner join. Then also we will get the same output. So when you will go with other than these four regions, if you have any other countries, if you have, in that case, you will go with the left join. If you want to find out other than these four regions, if you have any other countries, like 1, 2, 3, 4 is the regions we have, 4 regions. Other than these 4, if we have any other countries, you need to find out in the case, you will go with the left join. Okay. In the similar way, you will go with the right join. So is none of the country is related to any regions. You need to find out. In that case, you will go with the right outer join. So if you want to find out both cases, either this or that, not related to any region, not related to any country, you will go with the full outer join. Radha Reddy, you joined last 2 months back, still you are struggling with this type of queries. Okay, now we use the star here. We won't use this type of star here. So if you are using with multiple tables, you need to mention specially what are the columns you require from the first table and the second table need to put like that. Else you will get the issues. So I just copied the required columns here and I am going to use here. So region ID is in the two places. So see what the error I'm getting, column ambiguously defined. In this case, what the column, if here we have only 4 columns. So you can able to trace very easily. So if you want to find out like if you have like 200 columns for each table, in that case very difficult to find out. Okay, so you need to, this column is related to which table, you need to mention that. Then only that will understand the system. It won't get any confusion here. Not with this column. You need to work like this. If you don't know like what is the common column in between these two tables. So now if you see here, if I put this, you won't get any issue because the conflict will happen with the region ID. The conflict will happen with the region ID. So system is getting some confusion. So region ID is having with the two tables, countries and the regions. So from which table I need to pick the data? I'm getting some confusion here. I'm clarifying with the system like take the country region ID from the country state. Okay, if I get this type of error, you need to do like this. So you don't have that much time to do to check with each and every column independently here. So in that case, you will go with the Pradeep. Because of that, I am requesting you people, if you read any topic, no need to ask like I need to check for once. In the childhood days, while preparing the exams, all the people will say, I read once, I need to revision once. Don't use those type of things here. If you practice one topic, need to complete thoroughly. No need to go back again. Else you can stay in that topic until you get complete. Another 10 to 15 days, mostly all the people will sit in the job here. Whatever the people are here, all the people will be in the place of work. Still you are struggling with these type of questions. How can I find out the columns where the column will store in some table, right? User underscore? Then it's starting problem this. So how the common column, there is a conflict is happening. I need to find out what are the common columns we have. So in that case, you can get the if you mention that common column is related to we saw, right? I already did the same thing only earlier also. Now we have it the two tables. To identify that it is a small table or big table, no need to think about all those things. Now user underscore tab underscore, we have the 3 columns here. Column name is country ID, country name, country region ID. Okay. So if I use the same thing with a different table, regions. Okay, region ID, region name. Now I need to find out what are the common column here. So we have 2 sets here. So I can go with the intersect. Column name. So simply use the intersect. Now you will get the common call. The region ID is the common call name. Due to this, you are getting the confusion. Please mention the alias name for this column. You need to find out in the similar way. You have only 4 columns, you can able to put like this. This is not the way, correct way. For that reason, I am requesting you people need to do this way. Okay, if you are coming from Amirpet, you will do like this. Country dot country ID, country dot each and every column you are going to put the alias name. If you are came on the any real time guy, you need to understand this level. Okay. Now we got the confusion. We removed that confusion now. Okay. We have other tables like locations. So if you want to use the location details. So these locations we have like location ID, address, and all those things. We have postal code, city, right? So I need the South Lake we have, right? This city is belonging to which country or which region I need to understand now. This South Lake is South Lake is the location we have. This is related to which country, which region I need to understand. Now tell me, what are the things I need to follow here? Now we have the location table. So now I need to find out this South Lake is city related to which region. I need to find out. I need to find out. Sai. Shiva.
Select star.
Select star.
Location ID. Select star from city is equal to South Lake.
From
Select star from select
Vijay Channa.
select star from city is equal to South Lake.
Shiva. Don't say anything. I can scold you definitely. So you are saying like a select star from city. From where I need to pick the city? Select star from table name you need to mention, right? You at least you are not able to say select star from table name you need to mention from which table I need to get the data. Simply you are saying select star
from table name where
select city
from table name.
From which what is the table name?
Location.
Where?
Where country ID is equal to country underscore ID is equal underscore ID. It will display that only particular row only.
Country ID equal to
US.
US. What the output I get here?
It will display the particular. It will display only one
It will display the what are the cities we have in the US country. It will display the what are the cities we have in the US country. I'm not expecting this. Read. You understand the question now? Or you have any doubts? I know you know. That is the reason I am not asking. If anyone not saying, I will. He knows. You knows. Chenna. Shall I start from? Okay. Okay. Where? Okay. City equal to. You understand my question first? Oh.
Find out the location and the south.
No. Find out the region. This South Lake is the city we have, right? This is related to which region I need to find out. I don't know what query you are going to use. I need the answer. So always you people are using EMP DEP table, then you people able to answer. If I use the new table, you are going to struggle. Pradeep. Simple, Pradeep. I said like a location table we have. So where is the region we have? In the region table, right? So in the region table, we have the region ID, region name in this. So we have the relationship between the countries and the regions. So country ID is the common column. Here we have the region ID. So what are the columns we have in the location table? So location ID, address, city, pin code, what we have? Country ID. So you can put the join with the location table versus country. You can put we have the common column like a country. Okay, now how you did here, we can do the similar way. Now we are going to use the location table. So for this, I am going to use like a inner join. And on location dot country ID equal to country start a country ID. You people are struggling a lot actually. I don't know what happening here. Now I use the two tables as a join. Three tables I am using here. How many joins I am getting here? Two joins. If you are using like a n number of tables, you can put a n minus 1 joins. I already explained this. Okay, now see here. What we required here, we need the region city equal to South Lake. So we need the region name for this city equal to South Lake. What are the South Lake countries we have? This South Lake is related to which country, which region this is. I need to find out that. So for that reason, I'm going to use region name and city. So now we will get the column ambiguously defined. Now, how will you find out? Now, how will you find out? We have 3 tables now. Now we have 3 tables. How will you find out now?
Table name we can put it as
Try with your end. I am going to share your thing, right? Now we have the country ID is the common column for the locations and the country table. So for that reason, you are getting the column ambiguously defined. Now I mentioned that.
space.
Okay, see, this is related to Americas. South Lake is related to the US. Simply we can able to find out like using what are the we have, right, country ID, country name we have already. Can able to find out, but we need the data with the queries. Got it? We need difficulty. Sai, for this you need any subquery here. You cannot able to find out using subquery. You can able to find like this. Cannot able to append the output parallel in the. So you can able to find out like a region. Simply you can mention like this. Select. We need the data like this, right? Select star from locations equal to South Lake. Now this is the city for you. You need to find out. We have the country column here. So country ID. COUNTRY country ID is the column. So now we can check for the data like a select star from what the data we have country. You need to listen this very carefully. You are always struggling with these queries. The old batch people can understand this, the new batch people cannot able to. Okay, now we have the country details. The South Lake is related to which country you can able to understand now. Now we have the region ID here. You can check with this region with the you have the region ID. You can check with the region details in the region table now. But you can able to find out this is related to which region. If you are a tester, you will do like this queries. So if someone doing the testing, right, those people will do in the similar way, you will get the data like this. Region ID in, and you can put this query inside. Got it? Now also you got the same output, Americas, but which city is for this America and all those things you cannot able to accommodate in a single line. But you can able to get the results. Got it, Sai? If you go with the joins, what is the benefit? If you go with the subqueries, what is the benefit here? Anyone any doubt? No doubt. Now I need the data like what are the countries, what are the regions we have? For what are the for region ID 3, what are the countries we have? How many countries, how many cities we have? We need to find out. For region wise, how many cities we have? How many locations we have? I need to find out that. Now, tell me what the query people are going to.
Can use group by.
You can, if you use the group by, then only you can able to count or you can able to get the data. How will you? I need the query. You people having any doubt? I need the how many countries we have for region ID 3. Okay. In any city, how many locations we have? Okay. Now I got the data like a country wise and a subdivision like a city. Got it?
Select count star column names.
Send the query. Everyone need to send the query. If you need, I can put the data like this. One second. Now you have the country table and you have the regions table as well. నాకు రీజన్ వైజ్ ఎన్ని సిటీలు ఉన్నాయి, ఏ సిటీలో ఎన్ని లొకేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనేది నాకు డేటా కావాలి. ఓకే, ఏమన్నా డౌట్ ఉందా? ఎవరికైనా ఏమైనా అర్థం కావాలి ఇప్పుడే చెప్పండి, మళ్ళీ క్వశ్చన్ కరెక్ట్ గా లేదు అని మనకు చెప్పు. రీజన్ ఐడి 3కి ఎన్ని కంట్రీస్ ఉన్నాయి, ఏ కంట్రీలో ఎన్ని సిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి అనేది నాకు కావాలి. मुझे चाहिए फॉर रीजन आईडी 3 के लिए कितना सिटीज है, सिटी पे कितना लोकेशंस है, कितना लोकेशंस है, आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. Okay, you people are able to understand the data here now. Please let me know if you have any query to understand difficulty. Sagar, is Sagar joined?
We need to use the both tables and we want the display.
I don't know, Shiva. I need the output. Now I have the three tables like this, but I need the data. This is the regions, this is the location detail, this is the country details. I put it like you people can able to understand. I need the details for only region ID 3 details. That are for region ID 3, how many countries we have, how many cities I have, that are all I need to understand. Till now, no one is sent. Now I have the region ID, country code, city, and all those things. I put the join here with all these queries. Okay, what I said, like I need the region ID for 3 only. So I need the data for region ID equal to 3. Now I have the 4 countries here. What are the countries I have? What are the cities I have? Now I have the details. On top of this, I can able to use, and I can like this simply. You can go with this way. What I said, I need the region ID. Okay. Region ID wise, how many cities we have? Count of city. I can say number of. I need first. I said like a country, right? How many countries I have inside the country? How many cities I have? I need to understand. So number of countries. In number of countries. Now I need count of city. So number of city. Now it is expecting not a single group function. So if you are using any group function inside the select query, other than that, whatever the columns we have, that all columns must and should be in a group by class. So I used in a group by class. Now it is showing region ID 3 having the 6 countries, 6 cities. Is it correct? Correct?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. See data here. How many countries we have here? 5 countries. Japan is having the duplicate here. If you go with country wise, you have only 5 countries here. If you go with the city wise, you will 6. It is wrong, right? In that case, you need to identify like a distinct country codes. Now you see. Now you got the country codes is 5. Number of cities is 6. Got it? So I requested with country wise how many cities we have. Correct. Now you need to put like a city in the group by class. See for the region ID 3. For the region ID 3. No, I need the country, right? Not city. For the country wise, I need the how many cities we have. Got it? In the country we have city, city inside the city, not a country, right? Now see, I requested for region ID. Country is we have 5 countries. Inside the Japan country, I got the 2 cities. Correct? That's what I'm expecting from you people. No one is answered me. So only one guy is here that is not in now, right? Right now he is not in this. Understand? Or any difficulty if you have, please let me know. You people need to be thorough with these all tables. Here my brother is there like 4 months onwards working, but does not know anything about the Oracle. His name is Shiva Reddy. Okay, now we came with the regions, countries. You understand these three tables now? Now we are going to deal with the warehouses. So warehouse ID, warehouse in the sense like we will maintain some godams. We will maintain some godams, right? That is called as a warehouses. So if you want to find out, so like South Lake, Texas is related to which country or which region I need to identify. Okay, so else I can say like in region 3, what are the warehouses we have availability? Kindly let me know. Or client will ask like in region ID, else like in US, in South Africa, what we have regions. So in Americas, what are the warehouses in which areas? What are the warehouses available? Warehouses. What are the warehouses available in Asia or Africas? Sorry, Americas. I need to retrieve the details now. Tell me. So నాకు వేర్హౌసెస్ అనేటివి అమెరికాకు సంబంధించిన వేర్హౌసెస్, ఏసియాకు సంబంధించిన వేర్హౌసెస్ అనేటివి నాకు కావాలి. ఎవరికైనా ఏమైనా అర్థం కాలేదా? సాయి అర్థమైందా నేను అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్? నాకేం కావాలి? అమెరికాకు సంబంధించిన, ఏసియాకు సంబంధించిన వేర్హౌసెస్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో ఆ వేర్హౌసెస్ డీటెయిల్స్ నాకు కావాలి. అమెరికాకు సంబంధించినది, ఏసియాకు సంబంధించిన, రెండు రీజన్స్ సంబంధించిన వేర్హౌసెస్ ఏవేమి అవైలబిలిటీ ఉన్నాయో ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ నాకు కావాలి. సో I need the details of what are the warehouses available for these two regions. Either Americas, either Asia. Please let me know if anyone does not understand my English, please. So later you people will say like, I am not able to understand your question. Anyone have any difficulty, please? Hey, Ranjit.
Yes, sir.
What happened, Ranjit? You understand?
Question not understand.
You not understand?
Question, sir.
Okay. मुझे क्या चाहिए? So I need the warehouse details related to the region related Americas or Asia. So for these two regions, what are the warehouses available for these two countries? I need that warehouse details. You got it?
No, sir.
No. Just you joined or you are from the starting onwards?
No, sir. I'm starting and join.
मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं समझ रहा है. तुम लोग क्या समझ रहे हैं मेरे को भी? Ranjit, what I am saying, see, I have the warehouse details here. This is
Okay.
the warehouse detail table. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
I need the details like regions we have, right? Regions. You can retrieve like this. So this is related to which regions? New Jersey and San Francisco. Related to which region I need to identify. Okay. Now tell me, you understand the question?
Yeah, understand.
let me understand in the different way. Now I need the details like so either Americas or Asia related. What are the warehouses available for these two regions? I need those details along with the region.
You can use
You understand?
Yeah, question understand.
Okay. Now send me answer. Sunil, I'm expecting answer from you, Sunil. Very fast. Now we have employee tables. Now we have employee tables. Okay. Now what are the tables we have? How can we identify this employee table having with any tables having any foreign key constraint or something like? So this employee table is related to having any relation between any other table. Need to identify. How will you identify? If you want to identify those, you need to go with the table definition. Check for any foreign key constraints. Check for any foreign key constraint. We have the manager ID is the foreign key here. Start from inventories. What an inventory table, product ID, warehouse ID, quantity we have. Okay, in an order item table. So what are the items we have to order? So order ID, item ID, product ID, quantity, unit price. Okay, you will get all the details. Okay, now here you will maintain only order IDs. You will get the detail order in the order item table. Okay, order ID. So this order is placed by which customer? Okay, order in which status. So who is sales? Salesman ID. Salesman ID. So when the order is placed, order date. Okay. So now we have the relation here. want to get this order is placed for the which customer is placed and the customer details if you require, you need to put, you will get the customer detail in a customers table. Okay, so United Continental Holdings. Okay, Continental Holdings. So if you want to find out this address and all those things, you will get in a customer table. So what are the product? You are mentioning the product, right? Products. So what are the products we have? Order, so product ID, product name, description. Okay, standard cost, least price. This we will provide some benefits and all those things, right? Okay, so actually I don't know if someone knows the like Tulsi knows. He worked on Bima. You also know what is the meaning of standard cost, list price. List price in the sense I am thinking like a total price. So after discount, we will provide to the standard cost. I am thinking this is actual price. This is discounted price. MRP, selling price, like that. Okay. Now product categories. Need to understand this table very well, please. Okay, category, CPU, video card, RAM, motherboard, storage. Okay, now if someone understand like is related to employee table having relation with the which table, I need to understand if anyone knows. If anyone knows. Other items, employee table, employee table. So we are taking the reference from the manager ID, employees manager. So taking the reference from the employee table in the what you people understand in this? Tell me. You are taking the reference from a you are taking the reference from the same table, but you are taking the reference. The manager will be employee of the same table, right? So you are also employee, your manager also employee in our same organization. So your details will maintain in the employee table, manager details will maintain in the manager table only. So here I am taking the reference ID like a for you, for your manager ID, I am taking the employees of a table inside the employees of employee ID as the reference. Got it? Have you tried with a self join, just like as a self join? I am taking the reference of the self table. Understand?
Yeah.
Let's see for these all tables. I can put this in the I won't give any table scripts and all those things. Try to create from me your end only. I am not going to provide any scripts here. So I can put this all table with the select query here. Okay. What are the tables I have? I will show you one second. User underscore objects and warehouses, locations, country. I'm going to put this like this. You can take the create statement from your end and prepare the things. So This is the regions table. Create the 2 columns and insert this data. If people does not have the patience, then ping me. Else try to insert from at least 2-3 records from each and every table. Now we have the country table. Take the screenshot and insert the data and create the tables. I'm going to share this link if you people have this required. I'm going to share in, however. This is the location table having the location ID, address, and all those things. Okay. At least create few tables, at least 5 tables. Warehouses having the warehouse ID, warehouse name, location ID. Okay, employees. So this is the employee ID, first name, last name, email ID, and all those things we have mentioned here. Okay. So job title, manager ID, just like as a EMP table. Okay, product category. So category 1 in the sense it is a CPU, video card, RAM, motherboard, and all those things. Okay, products. Product ID, product name, description, standard cost, least price, category. Okay, if you want to find out this category information, where you will get the category information, product category. Inside the product category, we will get the category ID here. You understand? Okay, so customers, customer name, customer ID, address. Okay, orders. In order table, you will get the only order ID and who is placed that order. That is customer ID. Order in which state? Salesman ID. So this is called employee ID. I am thinking like this salesman ID is related to the employee table. Got it? So if anyone selling your product in the sense that is related to your employment, right? Your company employee, then only he will sell your products. Why should I sell your product? Your company product I cannot able to sell. I don't have any authority, right? If I am an employee of your company, I can able to sell your products. So mostly I am thinking like salesman ID is the link with the employee table. Okay. So orders, order items. So for any particular order, what are the items has been ordered by the particular customer? If you want to find out, you will get the details in the order item table. Okay, inventory table. This is related to the manufacturer, company details. Okay, so here see what are the we have product ID, warehouse ID, quantity. So in this product ID 21, see in the 2 product ID we have warehouse IDs 7, 8, 9, 5, 3, 6. So in this for each warehouse ID, how many quantity we have? Okay, you got it? These are all the table need to be prepared by yourself only. If you people are not able to prepare, I will provide by tomorrow, not today. Tomorrow afternoon, please be prepared for a evening class. I will see for your patience. You need to share this, you need to upload in some share drive or YouTube, whatever it may be. Download this and share it to those people. Okay, I am going to stop the class. Tomorrow, if you people practice this, tomorrow we are going to create procedures, functions, and packages. Okay. I'm stopping my recording.